damage underscore min integer damage underscore max. Yeah, weight is an annoying one. I'm mostly putting the option in here for individuals who are wanting to be more like who want to focus more on like super accurate blah blah blah. I'm not going to be focusing on that. Range damage under, or I guess damage type I'll worry about later. Um, excuse me. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we could possibly need for this. Get the boolean, the cell value, the buy value, the weight, the pretty name, the damage min, the damage max, the range. Option. Which that will be. I'll go ahead and set that to full text. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I put in damage just in case, because this is going to be the base item info. So if you have weapons, it's still going to use the same struct, and it's only going to be, you're only really going to worry about it if you have an equipable. In fact, I should do is weapon. There. And we'll put this up at the top. Boom. I can't think of anything else, or actually I'll put this at the top. Can't think of anything else right now that is needed. And these are all example ones anyways. Tooltip, various stat attribute, or stat slash attributes of generic items. So let's say we go in here, and I need to get my interact object parent. Feature request, the sorting needs a put at top button. That actually is not a bad idea. I don't know if they would have time to get to it anytime soon though, but that's not a bad idea. Struct. We need item info struct. Boom. Info. So we've got overlap, overlap, enable input, set material, set visibility, event use. Okay, so that's boom, boom. So this is where it'll be RPG controller. We need, where's my inventory stuff? Interaction, level progression. There we go. Change variable type. Let's not worry about indexing right now. So the reason I'm doing this specifically is I want, instead of break, so we got that. So instead of getting just the display name, now we're actually going to be getting the pretty name, which is saved by the thing. Oh, I know. Object type. Let's see. So what I'm doing here, I think, I don't know if this is actually going to work, but I'm going to put object type in here of type actor. That way, no matter what we do, let's go into the pickupable items, interactable items, interact object parent. It's funny, I'm actually a Libra, not a Virgo. So I find that kind of funny. Okay. So we're going to set our compile get break. Or actually, let's do a break. Make make item info. That's what I wanted. Set I suppose like okay, let me see if this is actually accessible. I need to make it editable. Boop. Yep. Hey Tony, how you doing? Yeah, I'm currently working on an RPG system that I'm hoping to eventually sell if I can. Ha. Okay. Boom. Now we can actually make it. Make sure I know what kind of actor it is. Which is the main thing that I needed. But for now, I want to be able to get the pretty name. That's the main goal. Oh shit. Oh dear. So a UMG blueprint containing a reference to a struct array in player controller. Unfortunately, I do not currently know what repro steps are necessary. This will probably get put back on me anyways because my name is on it. Oh, that's a loaded question, Sterling. Yeah, I'm not gonna answer that one. Oh, actor class. Okay, that's definitely a better idea. Oh no, Jovix, we do. However, you have to realize that there are thousands of them that come in, so it does take some time. It's not a slow or it's not a fast process trying to get everything done. It's just the nature of the beast. It's active software development, so you can expect there to be bugs, and that's life. Um, and getting through every crash that comes in ever, especially when there are obvious, hey, I probably shouldn't have done this. There are test crashes. There are uh, pretty big dangerous ones that need to be looked at. There are ones that don't need to be looked at, and the person has said as much. It's just it's a lot of work. So we can't promise everything. We do what we can, though. And I know you guys probably don't believe me. Oh yeah, the way our system works is any crashes that come in that are the same, like the same call stack. So let's say we're noticing that everyone is getting, like, maybe there's like 60 people that all have the same exact crash call stack. What it does is it puts that under under one bug report system, and then it's like, okay, so all of these guys are getting the same exact crash, and then we can go through and look at the comments from there and see which ones have comments that we can work off of, which ones have extra information. Because if they don't have any additional information, then there's really, like, if it's in a bug that has other ones that do have extra information, then we absolutely will skip over ones that have nothing that we can use, and we'll go to the ones that have comments, that have repro steps, that have logs in them, stuff like that. It's it's kind of a back and forth. We have to pick and choose our battles. Uh, Now, let's see how far back I have to go since it decided to be a total D-bag. Inventory slots. So that's not it. Okay, did not switch over my struct.